Well, it's been 3 days since I did this manicure, and it's starting to look a little bit tired. It's a little bit scratched up. As you can see, where my nail is bent there, it's kind of cracked the nail polish a bit. And it's losing its lovely luster of the top coat. The top coat's becoming a little bit scratched and dull, not looking its best. But it's not chipping at all, so it's not really worth removing this nail polish and redoing a manicure. So if I want to refresh this and keep it going looking nice for the next 2-3 days to the end of the week, I need to do something with it. Now my options are, I could just add another coat of top coat, which will give it that lovely shine again. But it's been three days, and I fancy something slightly different now. I want a little bit of a change, but I can't be bothered to do another manicure. Another option, if you're fairly adventurous, is to do some stamping. You could put a stamping design over the top. It could be something as simple as this, which would just make it look a little bit more interesting and would disguise any dullness. Once you've got the top coat over the top of that, that would make it really nice, and it looks very different to the manicure that you had before. So it's almost like having a new manicure instantly. This is a bit fussy if you're having on every single nail. Of course, you could have ones like that which aren't particularly fussy. They're just a delicate sort of design. So if you don't want to have stamping on the top of every nail, the other option is a sparkly top coat of some sort of a topper. And that would be my choice. I like to just invigorate it with a little bit of sparkle, something that looks a little bit different, and it can look like a completely different manicure. And there are all sorts of sparkly top coats that you can get. There's one here that has quite large sparkly flakes, which gives it a lot of interest. And that's very sparkly. And then there's toppers with slightly smaller pieces, which is more delicate. And it's in a clear base, so you just get a few little sparkles on the surface. And then you get your holographic sort of glaze type toppers. And this is the one that I shall use today. Because I think this is the best one that I have that will tone with this coloured nail polish. Just give it a little bit of a glaze to the top of it. And this polish is from the Special Effects range by Essie, and it's called Ethereal Escape. I think that really livens up the manicure. Nobody would know that you haven't just redone your nails. So if you're getting a little bit fed up with your manicure anyway, it just gives you a new look for a few more days with very little effort. So I shall now top this with a coat of the top coat, just to seal it all in again and just protect it for a few days. And I shall be using the top coat from the green range by Manicurist. There we are, total refresh. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that useful, and I'll see you next time.